Soondae recipe, introduction. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to show you how to make a popular Korean dish called Soondae. Soondae is a type of blood sausage, made with various ingredients and is widely enjoyed in Korea. Let's get started and learn how to make it at home. Ingredients. First, let's take a look at the ingredients. You'll need to make Soondae, edible pork intestines for stuffing. Edible pork mixture used for the filling can include a variety of ingredients. 2 cups of rice. Sticky rice is commonly used. 2 tablespoons of red pepper paste gochujang. 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. A pinch of black pepper. Sheets of dried seaweed for rolling. Cooking oil for the pan. Cooking steps. Step 1. Sterilize the intestines. The first thing you need to do is to thoroughly wash and sterilize the pork intestines. Place them in boiling water for sterilization. This process will clean the intestines and remove any unwanted odor. Step 2. Prepare rice and filling mixture. Next, cook the sticky rice in a rice cooker. Once it's done, mix it with the following ingredients: red pepper paste, salt, minced garlic, minced ginger, and a pinch of black pepper. Also, mix in the edible pork mixture. This will be the filling for your Soondae. Step 3. Stuff the intestines. Now, it's time to stuff the cleaned intestines. Fill them with the rice and pork mixture. Tie one end of the intestines with seaweed to seal them. Step 4. Cook the Soondae. Heat a pan with some cooking oil over medium heat. Place the stuffed Soondae on the pan and cook them until they turn golden brown. This should take approximately 10 minutes. Step 5. Serving and enjoying. Once the Soondae is cooked to perfection, transfer them to a plate. You can garnish them with extra seaweed if you like. Soondae is best enjoyed with a dipping sauce made of soy sauce and vinegar. Conclusion. That's it. You've just learned how to make delicious Korean Soondae. By following these steps, you can recreate this Korean favorite in the comfort of your own kitchen. Enjoy your meal. And that concludes our video on making Korean Soondae. We highly recommend trying this recipe for a taste of authentic Korean cuisine. Thank you.